The official unveiling is set to take place on May 9th, and fans are eagerly anticipating the release of these new devices. It appears that Poco has revealed more information about the Pro model, specifically its display. According to the latest information, the Poco F5 Pro will feature a flat WQHD+ screen, which means it will have a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. This should result in a sharp and vivid display, making it ideal for streaming videos, playing games, or browsing the web. Furthermore, it has been confirmed that the Pro model will feature a punch-hole appearance in the center of the screen to house the selfie camera. This appearance is becoming increasingly popular among smartphone manufacturers, as it allows for more screen real estate, without having to resort to a notch or a thick bezel at the top of the display. The appearance of the Poco F5 Pro is shaping up to be sleek and modern. One notable aspect of the appearance is the placement of the power button and volume rocker, which are located on the right side frame of the phone. This is a common appearance feature among smartphones, and it allows for easy one-handed operation. The Poco F5 Pro is also expected to come with a USB-C port located at the bottom of the phone, flanked by a SIM card slot, microphone, and speaker. This arrangement is standard for most modern smartphones, and allows for easy charging, data transfer, and audio playback. Another interesting aspect of the appearance is that there are no antenna lines on the phone's frame, which suggests that it may not be made of metal. While metal frames are known for providing a premium look and feel, they can interfere with signal reception, and manufacturers may opt for other materials, such as plastic or glass, to ensure optimal connectivity. Poco doesn't show us the back of the F5 Pro, but it did tease the vanilla F5 in a new color. The triple camera configuration, which is led by a 64-megapixel sensor, is reminiscent of the Redmi Note 12 Turbo, which is only available in China. If the Poco F5 is indeed a rebranded version of the Redmi Note 12 Turbo, it would not be surprising to see some similarities in the appearance and specifications. The use of similar components and appearances is a common practice among smartphone manufacturers, especially among those who share the same parent company or supply chain. As for the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 chipset, it is a powerful processor that should provide excellent performance and power efficiency. It is a popular choice among mid-range smartphones, and is often found in devices that require fast and smooth performance, such as gaming phones. It appears that the Poco F5 Pro may not be a rebranded version of the Redmi Note 12 Turbo after all. Instead, it is rumored to be a variant of the Redmi K60, a smartphone that was launched in China earlier this year. If the rumors are true, the Poco F5 Pro will likely share many of the same features and specifications as the Redmi K60. This includes a powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, which is a step up from the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 2 that is rumored to be in the Poco F5. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is a top-of-the-line processor that should provide excellent performance and speed, making the Poco F5 Pro a capable device for multitasking, gaming, and other demanding tasks. In terms of design, the Poco F5 Pro is expected to have a similar look and feel to the Redmi K60. This may include a sleek and modern design, a high-quality display, and a premium build quality. So, if the rumors are true, the Poco F5 Pro should be a high-end mid-range smartphone that offers excellent performance and features. In conclusion, the Poco F5 and Poco F5 Pro are shaping up to be impressive mid-range smartphones. With powerful specifications and a competitive price point, they are sure to attract a lot of attention from consumers. We will have to wait until May 9 to find out more about these devices, and see if they live up to the hype. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.